Hi, thanks for joining us for this Loyal Shops webinar. Today we're going to talk about our loyalty rewards standard and pro suites, as well as our Facebook Live Assistant, which is included with our Loyal Shops Rewards Pro solution, and also our small business texting, which is included in both our Loyal Shops standard and pro packages. We've got over the past couple of years of delivering solutions with Loyal Shops, we've continued to add new features, and I'm very excited about the features we've just now released here for 2018. Um, some really great things that we've taken input. We strive so hard to listen to our customers and deliver tools to help them grow their small businesses. By the way, in case you're new to Loyal Shops, what Loyal Shops does is we deliver a series of services that all run off of the cloud, so you can get to your customer data anywhere. That helps you run your small business, either a home or a small business that sells usually to consumers products. And so we've built a suite of tools around that ability. Some of the things we're going to talk about today is having a loyalty program, things like a digital punch card instead of having a paper punch card because you may have customers around the world or around your country. You've now got a digital punch card they can run right off of their phone. Other loyalty part programs of being able to stay in touch with them when they actually earn a gift, send them a personalized email if that gift is expiring, expire the gift, but contact them ahead of time to give them a reason to come back. Those type of solutions around loyalty programs. In addition to be able to email your customers extremely well and with some very sophisticated targeting that's coming, and also really beautifully with pictures and other rich links that we have in our email program. Your business is busy and so are your lives. A lot of you have families as well. And so figuring out how to balance growing your business, running your day-to-day business, and then still maintaining all the rest that life offers is quite challenging. So things like gifts, giveaways, and returns exchange tracking is included in our services. Being able to brand your business with business cards and having all the product that come out from you having your branding on it delivers this consistent message, and then people remember you. Being able to give surprises for people on their birthdays, being able to know who your best customers are, and then our two newest tools, being able to have a live assistant for Facebook Live sales, and finally our small business texting solution. So those are the things we're going to talk about today. And currently, our customers are now serving about 1.6 million customers themselves. All right. So we have four standard packages. I'm going to talk about the two on the left as our primary packages today in this webinar, and then I'll go into more detail with the others in another webinar. But we have a loyalty rewards standard, and I'll get into more detail here at the end, but it's $9.99 a month or $99.99 per year. Um, Building upon that is our loyalty rewards pro, for $14.99 and $149.99 a year, either one of those. You save basically by doing a per year subscription, you save 2 months of cost. And then Live Assistant, our sales bot, and texting, small business texting, which is actually free on a per monthly basis. You only pay per message, and you get 50 free messages every single month. The reason I wanted to bring these up is just so you have a base understanding. So first off, our loyalty rewards program is around running your small business, of sales business to consumers, selling product. And you do things that are, you're just starting out. So up to 250 customers. We do include our texting program in this loyalty rewards standard. In our Pro package, you include texting as well, but we also include everything else we do. Our Live Assistant is included as well, our Facebook Live sales bot. And then there's many new features that I'll point out as we go through this presentation that Loyalty Rewards Pro has. So no matter what we discuss about today, everything I'm going to talk about is in Loyalty Rewards Pro. All right, so let's just jump in. I just wanted to give you a basic guideline that we have a subscription payment you pay per month or per year. your choice, and and then we'll get into the details as we move on. All right, so starting with your loyalty program, probably the thing that the actual customer holds in their hand is their loyalty card. One thing you're going to hopefully notice from the graphic here is that we support a wide array of companies that with their needs, or consultants that represent other products brands, or even your own. So regardless if you work with one of these companies that are here being shown, or your own custom company, you can deliver your own branding into this experience. All right. So these are examples of digital punch cards. Some of the things that you can create, the number of punches, 5, 10, 12, 15, or 20. The gift choice is up to you as well. You get to pick the look and feel that you love. Um, we've got quite a few to choose from. Everything is web-based so that there's nothing for you or your customers ever to install. You can get to your data anywhere, and your customers can get to anything from a phone, a tablet, a PC, a Mac. It does not matter. And everything is optimized for phone, tablet, and computers. All right. Also, if you do things like pop-up boutiques, this works fantastic for pop-up boutiques, but it also has a complete ability to control the account remotely. So if you've got customers anywhere else in the world, you can do everything in loyalty rewards for those customers directly online and keep in contact with them. How do you invite customers to your loyalty program? We have quite a few ways. A great majority of the way we contact people is through email. It's very cost effective and delivers well. Um, as I said before, everything we do includes your custom branding. So this is our default Team Awesome logo just as an example during this webinar. But this is a welcome email, and we've already pre-written a basic welcome email for you so that everything throughout our whole experience is sort of pre-done to a basic extent so that you can get running really quick, but you can always come back and customize pretty much anything inside the platform. So this welcome email can be completely rewritten. And again, if you're using loyalty cards, that loyalty card invite will be included down here at the bottom. If you love everything else we do in our loyalty rewards suites, but you don't want to use our loyalty cards, you can disable those as well as part of our solution. So either way, we can support you. All right, you can batch invite customers through multiple different ways. You can invite customers through a invite from a Google Sheet, and so if you have name and emails and phone numbers, we can do an import regardless of where the customers came from. Um, we can do, and it can do a batch import, and you can even give us a dirty list. So for example, what I mean by dirty list is uh, every week you have new emails, new people being added to your list. You can submit that same list every single week if you wanted, or every month or such. Even if 99% of the people were already on the list and 1% are new, we'll go through and automatically only include the 1% new people with new invites. And by the way, if someone's changed a phone number or an email, or their name has changed because of a wedding or something like that, or a marriage, then you can re-import that list with that new data, and we will update our records as well. All right. You can send off one-off emails as well as I just said, batch as well. We give you web forms so that you can either add a pop-up, a kind of kiosk, or through putting a link on Facebook or Instagram or on a web page, people can basically sign up for your loyalty program. All right. And pro subscriptions, you basically can set up a thing called auto punch, or I'm going to go through in a second, where you can automatically invite people once they've bought from you. All right. So our first pro only feature is called auto punch. And what auto punch does is it allows you either to use Square, point of sale service, PayPal, uh, Bless, and we're going to be adding additional POS options here in the very near term. So if your POS system is not included in there, please reach out to us down here at the email support@loyalshops.com. Tell us what POS system that you're working on. One of the ones that we have on our list to do quickly is Shopify, for example. And another consultant company has a point of sale system coming up that we're going to support here shortly as well. So just let us know if there's not one of those three major ones, and we'll work on adding that for you as well. All right. So what auto publishing does is it sets up a way so that we can get a copy of your paid customer receipt, and when we do that, that data doesn't go anywhere else besides into your account for your own use. We don't ever resell data, by the way, but we receive that data, and that allows us to automatically punch the customer's loyalty card so you do not have to. The second thing we do is we can invite them to your loyalty program if they're currently not a loyalty card member. We will send them out a welcome email that, again, is either the default one or you've customized. All right. And in addition to that welcome email, we record the item and variation of the product, the date, and the price that they paid for all purchases going forward. So you'll receive on a per customer basis in your customer dashboard a history that actually shows you the date, what was purchased, for how much, and what the item was, and then how much was purchased for that one purchase. And then we have punch rules basically, so that things like if a product is sold under a certain amount of dollars, don't punch it, or if the whole order is free, do not punch the whole order, anything on the order, those type of rules. And per point of sale system, we have different rules, but we try to build up these rules so that you can have a program that works for your business. Okay. All right, so that's the basics auto punching. It's a pro feature, and it really takes, not only does it take the burden off of managing a loyalty program, because it basically starts running itself. You only deal with the customer once they've earned a gift and they contact you and say they want to redeem it. But the good news about that is we've now brought a customer back to you. All right. And so on the screen here, you can see a example of a punch list, our auto punching list, and also we've just punched your loyalty card email that goes out. Whenever someone buys from you, they automatically get this email. And we also include, if you wish to, a link to your shopping group where people can join your group. And on all of our emails now, they can join your Facebook group directly from all of your emails. It's going to be a fantastic driver of additional sales. All right. When the customer has their email invite, they get sent their loyalty card, which you've seen already. And if they turn their phone sideways, we do something called landscape notes. So here's an example of what you could put in landscape notes, and this is completely customizable by you. So care instructions for clothing or exchange policies. And by the way, you can change all of this at any time, and automatically everybody's loyalty cards are updated to the new details. So if some new product comes out that has a different care instruction, just modify it in one place and everybody has the information. Your exchange policy changes, one place, everybody has the new information, and it's just a tilt away. Fun thing to show your customers, and this area is scrollable, so anything you get common questions on, this is a great place to add some details. If you take your your loyalty card and you just slide your finger to the left, it will expose your dynamic business card. Your business card, unlike a paper one, is changeable at any time. So if you don't want to give someone your phone number, I totally understand that. Just leave it off. It won't be there. If you just want to give your VIPs your phone number, you can do that. And on a per card basis, both standard and the VIP, we'll get to in a minute, you can have different information. All of this is dynamic, as we say. So not only can you change it in one place and it changes on everybody's loyalty cards on their phones, but you can also do really cool things like you put in an email there. If they click on it, it will bring up their email client with your email address already in it, ready for them to type a message to you. You put in a website, it goes right there. You put in your Facebook group, it goes right to your Facebook group or page. Same thing, Instagram, Pinterest. I think you get the idea. So one place to change it, and everything is live and clickable. All right, so that's your dynamic business card. Birthday surprises. All right, one thing I haven't gone through in much detail is this is an example of a customer dashboard. This is probably the place you spend the most time with inside Loyal Shops. And this customer dashboard is places where you can import new customers or just add a single customer, find out how many customers you currently have, how many gifts you've given, how many customers have been invited, download the details of your loyalty program here, search for a customer. If your list gets really, really long, which I sure hope it does, then you can short it down to just show the last X days, up to 90, I believe, of days of activity. So you're only working with a smaller list that's faster to deal with, easier to get to somebody that's been actually actively shopping with you in the last 15 days, as the example shows here. Just allows you to do your work faster because you've gotten a list down of just the people you probably are going to be trying to find quickly and click on. List of names, if they're a VIP. Here on birthday surprises, is it their birthday this week? If it is this week, this birthday cake will show up. On the day of the birthday, it will blink. All right. Have they earned a gift, by the way? There's a gift. You can click on that and redeem it. And this is how many punches the customers have at the moment on their cards. And you can just click on any single one, and you can actually give them a manual punch if you choose to. All right, back to birthday surprises. So from this, with our standard subscription, Loyalty Cards, Loyalty Pro, Loyalty Rewards Pro subscription, and standard, you can find out that it's going to be their birthday this week or today. If you have our Loyalty Rewards Pro, we take it one level further, which is automatically on the morning of their birthday, they're sent a birthday email. Now, we've already written a nice birthday email. It comes with your logo. It comes with a birthday cake that says happy birthday, and then this nice email. You can completely modify that to become your personality, your style, and that goes out the morning of their birthday. In addition, you can include a gift directly in that. Give them a happy birthday gift, first one in the morning of their birthday. And just by doing that, just adding in just the name of the gift you want to give, we automatically add in a couple sentences here about giving them a gift. If you have set up expiring gifts, it'll tell them that they're going to expire, when it's going to expire. And we automatically enter that gift into that customer's database so that you have a listing of that gift to give them as well. All right, turnkey, get them excited. If they haven't shopped for you a few months and they get an actual gift on their morning of their birthday, they're going to come back and shop with you. All right. All right. Who are your best customers? How do you tell? How do you make them VIP? So we have a second level of loyalty cards, which you can go up to 20 on the punch. So you can change the punch structure. You have the ability to, when you invite them, it sends them out a VIP email that's completely customizable. Once you've created a VIP program, you can text or email those customers directly, just your dynamic VIP list. You don't have to add people to a VIP list. Just if they're on it, then you can text and email to that group. For example, right here, you can see you can email to your VIP customers or text to your VIP customers. All right, your VIPs get a different card. It can be the same one if you like one particular design, but you end up getting a little crown on the dog and a crown here for clicking to be able to bring up your an overview of your VIP program. It says actually VIP in the top section of the loyalty card right here, VIP loyalty card instead of just loyalty card. And we have a couple designs, that gold design you just saw there and the bronze design right here are VIP only cards. So those customers can feel extra special when they bring up their card. All right, so um, I'll give you an idea here. So we have an email your shoppers mass emailing tool that's included in Loyalty Rewards and Loyalty Rewards Standard and Pro. And then you have VIP, and how do you take those two together? So if you sell people on Facebook, maybe in the Facebook groups, for example, you can imagine having a special secret VIP group. How do you tell your best customers, your true VIP customers, that you have a special group that they can go shop in? Well, with Loyal Shop's VIP program, You can set up those VIP customers. First off, when you first start your program, you probably already have people you consider to be VIPs. You can manually make them VIP. But then you can set up so that after 20 punches, 30 purchases, 40 purchases, they can automatically become VIP. All right, so now that you've got that working and people start auto promoting into VIP and get sent an email automatically, again, once you set it up, it just runs itself. Now you decide you want to have a sale for just your VIPs. They've been your best customers. How do you treat them different and give them unique opportunities to buy from you? So you create that secret group in Facebook. Now you can email that group by choosing VIP and say, this Saturday and Sunday only, join my VIP shopping group, and on Saturday at 9 a.m., I'm going to open up a sale for just you of all new beautiful product. All right. That's how you combine VIP and our email blaster to have a fantastic VIP shopping experience. All right. Um, all right. So that's VIP, and VIP is included in our Pro subscription. All right, emailing our customers. And this email is now version 2.0 as of um, the July period. Okay, I'm going to go through a couple of the features. First off, you can email to groups that we create dynamically. Those groups can be customers with gifts, your VIP customers, as I just talked about, customers that have been invited but haven't actually bought from you yet, customers who have purchased in the past X days, your best customers, they've bought in the last 30 days, right? Maybe you want to send an email to the customers who have not bought from you in the last X days. 65 days, 70 days. Tell them, give them something special for a reason to come back and shop with you. All right. Those capabilities, those targeting capabilities are built into our email program. Because if you have auto punch or you've manually punched, we can tell the last time they've bought from you. And now we allow you to target those people by the date of how long they have not or have purchased from you. Our email engine has taken a nice leap forward. You can now not only you get your brand logo at the top, you now get a headline at the top like shop now or open house or specials or something like that. There is a shop now button in the top right hand corner. So all you do is take your Facebook shopping album link or wherever else that you have your shopping, maybe it's a Shopify site, whatever it is, you can put that link into our email program, and now that shop now button that gets emailed to everybody, if they click on it, it will take them directly to your shopping page. It's right here in that top right hand corner of the emails. All right. Besides, now you got your logo, you've got a headline, you've got a shop now button. Now you can drop in 3 pictures and 3 content below each picture. So picture, text content, picture, text content, picture, text content. Very easy. You can do this from your phone super fast. And once you've sent out an email, we save them all, and you can bring back one, make a few quick edits, and send it out again. And you can send immediately, or you can schedule days in advance. All right. All right. In addition, maybe you can see down here, there's actually a signature on one of these emails. You can add a persistent signature. Maybe it's a cute logo. Maybe it's truly your signature that you scanned. Whatever your choice is, you can drop in a signature and it'll be there every time. All right. Um, Another really exciting feature that we have just added is so many of you drive your business through Facebook. And some of the things, some of the technology inside of getting the most out of your business, it's just really hard to do. And so we've made this very, very simple. And we've created this opportunity where you can put a Facebook invite widget directly into all of your emails automatically. And the really cool thing about it is every time you send out an email, it will grab the latest banner from your group, the name of your group, how many people are in it, and your information about your group that you've put in, your description shows here. And this is the really cool button, which is this blue Facebook join group button. And if they are open up your welcome email, your punch email, your gift email, or this emailing all your customers, mass emailer, and they click join group, they're now a member of your Facebook group. How fantastic is that? All right. Our standard subscribers can send 2 emails a week. Our pro subscribers can send out 6. It actually says 4, but it's actually 6. And we send about 3 million emails out monthly at this time. All right, let me just kind of go through a couple other loyalty rewards features. We do gift, giveaway, and credit tracking. You can give any gift. We don't care what you call it. You can give out a gift certificate. You can give out free shipping. You can give out a piece of clothing or a piece of jewelry. Whatever you choose to call the gift, we will use that same name with the customer and record it as such. You can do credit management and give credits. Think of gifts as one-off items. A gift, like I said, free shipping. Once you've used it, it's gone. A piece of clothing. Credits are actually dollars that go up and down. So if someone does a return for you for exchange for credit, then we will track that credit for them. If you decide to give somebody credit, you can do that as well. One of the key difference, right? Two key differences. Gifts are a single item that once you use it, it's gone. Credits go up and down. That's difference one. The second difference is we allow expiring gifts with gifts, but we don't expire credits, right? If someone brought back something and they had a $55 credit, it wouldn't probably be good to expire that credit. So we don't do that. So, but if you decide to want to give someone like a gift certificate, you can give someone a gift certificate as a gift, and then it can expire. And the beauty of expiring kind of gift certificate is that, say you give somebody a $20 gift certificate, um, if they don't use it in say 30 days, 20 days into that, they're going to get an email that brings them back to you shopping. And if they still don't come back to you, it expires, it cleans itself up, and you've got a manageable business. By the way, at the end of every year, all of the gifts that you've given away, we give you a chronological list of them and how much you said they basically were from a cost point of view, and you can hand that to your tax person. So we really try to help you with that as well. All right. Gift giveaway and credit management. As I said, expiring gifts, you can set the time for the expiration. You can set the time for a notification just before it expires to get them to come back as well. All right, that's on gifts. We have exchange and return management, the ability to be able to have a full turnkey process around returns. If you get a big business and you're getting 10 returns a week, and perhaps you have more than just yourself helping the business, you've got some assistants or you have a spouse, tracking when someone said they wanted to return something on a Facebook message or a text message or an email or in some Facebook post or in some purchase album, you just get lost. So what we do is we give you a web form for customers to fill out. And you just tell them if you want to return something, you need to fill out this web form, and that kicks off the process. And that's fully automated. So the real benefit of that is they give you all the key information. We record all of the items and variances that you sell. You give that information to us one time. And then when they want to do a return or exchange, they need to pick that it's a pair of jeans and a size medium, or a necklace that's got gold and with a ruby in it. Whatever those styles and variances are of your particular unique product, you give that to us one time and we have that list for them to use. And now you know exactly what they're trying to return. All right. And they have to write why they want to return it. It's broken. It has a defect of some kind. It didn't fit, those type of things. And so once you receive that, you approve that request, and they get an automatic email that says, I've approved your request. And now here's the address to send that exchange back. And that can be your personal address. It can be a PO box. That's an automated email that goes out. Then finally, 2 days later, a week later, 3 weeks later, a package shows up on the front porch. When that happens, You can basically, you or your spouse or your assistant can grab that, go into Loyal Shops, look up the person's name and see that they had a return, that it's a piece of clothing, for example, and just didn't fit. So you look at the piece of clothing, you smell it, make sure it smells okay. You look, see it's got tags on it, for example, and they say it just didn't fit. You put it back on the rack and you say, I approve this return. You can choose the default amount of money for that return, or you can adjust it in case it was on sale, and you say approved. They now have an approved amount of credit on their account. It's recorded in your dashboard. They get an automatic email that we've accepted your return and this is how much credit you have. And when they look at their loyalty card, they can see that credit amount as well. Everybody knows where they're at on the page, same page, and the whole cycle is very well semi as close to automated as we can to track from the request of return to getting it approved to managing the credit to having a reason to drive them back to your business to use that credit or that gift. All right. As I said before, we track gifts that are given for tax purposes. And we talked about your virtual business card being a way for them to find you and come back. So here's just a couple examples here of that web form I was talking about, your branding, your return policy. They got to put in their name and email address, whatever the style variance item is, the reason for the return, and then they hit request. And then this is just an example of we've applied a credit to your account type of email. This is just a couple little examples. Um, Gift emails. Whenever someone receives a gift, we actually tell them that they've got a gift and it tells them exactly what they've got as a gift, both in the subject line as well as inside the email. Every time they buy from you, they get something called a punch email. And this is, again, branded at your company, whatever it is. We've just punched your loyalty card 2 punches. You currently have 4 punches. You only need 16 more. You only need 4 more punches, whatever it is, to earn that free pair of leggings, 10% off your order, anything, any product in our inventory, whatever makes sense for your business. And you currently have 0 gifts or 1 gift or 2 gifts available. You have a credit of this, so they actually know that again. So they're always in the know and they stop having reasons to call back for you to talk to you about things that aren't relevant to selling new product. And if they've forgotten their link to their loyalty card, it's always right here. And as I said, all of these emails can drop in that Facebook group widget to get them to join your groups as well. All right. Lots more details available, but I wanted to give you just the basics for that. We also include website for your business and a team building website. Come join us on our website and get even more details. But here's an example. First off, no technical experience required at all to set up a website. And these websites for both team building and your business page, you can truly start and finish in 5 to 10 minutes with no technical expertise. You can jump in and make changes at any time, and the changes are instantly live on the web. Anybody can do it. Okay. We automatically put in your logo and the name of who you are. You can drop into up to 5 pictures on the top here, and they automatically scroll. They automatically roll. If you grab your finger, you can flick them. You can go from portrait to landscape, and they'll go full screen. Then you get to drop in a bunch of text that you want. You can drop in a video if you have a pro account from us. All right. You can sign up for a loyalty card. You can have the contacts you choose here as well. All right. And then over on the team building site, similar thing. Your brand up to 5 pictures, whatever you choose. We've already got some default ones about build your future, run a small home-based business, those type of things. And then talk about the opportunity to join your team. Give them a video that walks through the experience. And then some amazing thing we've done is we have a form built into this page where you can capture the customer's email address. And as soon as they give you your email address, you can tell them that they will receive a more detailed email that has even more things, which can include a PDF, which can include a video, and you build that email offline, and as soon as they give their email address, they automatically receive that follow-up email, and you receive an email that says this person just tried to sign, is interested in signing up for your team. Okay, so you've already given them a page of information, perhaps a video. You've now given them a second level of information that required them to actually give you something to get that, which is now you have their contact information. And then now you've got a day or two for them to absorb that information. And then when you contact them, the questions you're going to have is how to build a team relationship with them. How do you, what do you want to find out from them to aspire? What makes them tick? What makes them happy? And then will they be a good fit on your team? And can you do the right things for them? And it'll be a much quicker conversation and a deeper, useful conversation than them starting with the same exact questions over and over again that you could cover from your team website. Super easy, doesn't require any separate cost for a separate mail engine to do this email capture. It's just all built into this tool. I think you're really going to love it. Okay. We've got a basic blog. You can drop in text, you can drop in pictures, you can drop in videos. It's all of the websites and the blog are all SEO searchable by search engines like Google. Very easy. Just get your content out there beyond just Instagram and Facebook. Get it on the web. Get it searchable by Google. Very easy to do. All right. That's a quick overview of loyalty rewards standard in Pro. We also include in Pro our live assistant and our texting. I'm going to have those in a separate video, but please realize that those are included in Loyalty Rewards Pro. All right. So I'll just walk through the quick basics here. So a digital punch card we talked about, auto inviting and auto punching to your loyalty program. Um, being able to write down shoppers notes, that's something I didn't mention, but you can write down unique shoppers notes like things that they love and don't perhaps love in colors and sizes and styles and such. A full history so that if they like particular jewelry, they like particular perfume, they like a particular lipstick, they like a particular size, they always buy certain styles and sizes. You can look quickly in their notes before you have a contact with them, before you do a styling session, and you know exactly what they buy, and you look like you're really, really a pro. All right, they love you for knowing who they are. Returns, giveaway, gift, and credit management, auto gift expiration, email your shoppers up to 6 times a week, business and join your team pages. It includes our small business texting, which I'm going to go into in another video. You can text up to 50 people or send 50 messages out free every single month. Um, our per message, our texting prices has special discounts if you have any of our bundles, the standard, pro, or live assistant. Also, if you use our Facebook Live bot, Live Assistant bot, it can automatically text to your shopping list your customers. You can text out whenever you go live, and it sends out your live description and your live link. Um, via texting, and that's included also with our loyalty rewards program. As I said, it's $14.99 a month, or if you do $149.99 a year. The nice thing about the year, of course, is you save 2 months worth of cost, and at any point in time you cancel, first 30 days across all of our programs, we'll just give you your money back, period. But if you use it for 6 months and it doesn't work out, or you change companies or something like that, for our yearly customers, we will give you back to the day a prorated refund. So if it's $150 basically for the year, we'll give you back $75 if you quit a year, 6 months into the program to the day. All right. So that's very safe for you to join on a per year basis. Okay. So we're gonna show you one more thing here. We have a referral program. Once you join with us, if you invite your friends because you love Loyal Shops, then we want to love you back. And so what we're going to do is you share your referral link, your friends sign up, and whatever they pay, the equivalent of 1 month, $9.99 for a standard subscription, $14.99 for a pro subscription, or they sign up for texting, we will pay 1 month's worth equivalent of their payments. So if they sign up for standard, after 30 days, we'll give you $9.99 back credit onto your account. If they sign up for Pro after 1 month, we'll give you $14.99. If they use texting in the first month, because they sign up for a texting program, we'll deliver you back exactly what they pay, up to $14.99 back as a credit back on your account. So that's how we show you how we love you for loving our service. All right, thanks so much. You can get to us at support@loyalshops.com. Our website is www.loyalshops.com, or you can join us on Facebook at facebook.com/groups/loyalshops. Thank you so much for your time.